How to log into Quickbooks account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to log in or sign in into Quickbooks account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. Launch a web browser on your device. For demo, let's open Google Chrome. You can open any of your preferred browser. Now click on the web address bar at top of the screen and type in www.quickbooks.com. and press enter on your keyboard. You can easily reload the page and then you'll reach on the official interface of Quickbooks, where you can see the sign in button at top right corner of your screen. Simply click on sign in button at top right corner of your screen and from this drop down menu box, you simply need to select Quickbooks Online in order to reach on the online or the login section of Quickbooks. Simply wait a few moments and here you need to enter your credentials, that is your email or user ID. You can even log into your account using your phone number, but you need to make sure to enter the credentials that you have entered while signing up into Quickbooks. So you can enter your user ID and click on the sign in button. Next you need to enter your password and when you follow the on-screen prompts, you will easily sign in or log in into Quickbooks account. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.